Welcome to our tutorial on how to only view events and saved items on Facebook for PC. If you're looking to filter and view only the events you have saved on Facebook, this guide will show you how. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your web browser and navigating to facebook.com. Step 2. From the left-hand side of your Facebook homepage, locate and click on the Saved option. This will take you to your saved items. Step 3. Click on Saved Items to access your saved posts and items. Step 4. In the top right corner of the Saved Items page, you'll find a filter icon. Click on it. Step 5. From the filter options, select Events to filter and view only the events you have saved. And there you have it. You have successfully filtered your saved items and are now viewing only the events on Facebook for PC. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks on using Facebook. Enjoy exploring your saved events on Facebook.